Good morning. Good morning. Heading into 8:30 a.m. data. Sharing the link here. So we have data in less than 7 minutes here. There's two things this can do really. Market is bearish, so this can take advantage of the news and push down to 891. The other option is that we get a pop back through previous day high up here at 2137 and potentially work our way all the way back up to this 4-hour candle here. So to me, those are the two potential scenarios for this data.
Order filled.
If we're gonna smash to the next levels here, this data will definitely be able to bring us down there, which would be all these levels here. Good morning. Good morning. Five minutes till the news. Four minutes till PPI data. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We're looking at two potential scenarios here. One is a drop on the PPI data into this 4-hour open at 28.91 around there. Or we get a big spike back up through 992, 21,037, and then we potentially make our way back up to this the top of this 4-hour candle where we started the drop, and then potentially up to here. So it's basically we're right in the middle of this range. Either next attack will be to here or next attack will be to here, potentially potentially lower, but I'd be looking here first, or here actually, either of these two levels. So we're kind of in the middle of this zone. So I'm taking a cheap trade to see if we do follow through to the downside. I have an overall bias of upside. Oh, well, I had a bias of upside for today. It did play out. We moved higher overnight, and then we dropped down into the open for right now where we're at now, almost at New York Open in an hour, and we got this data coming in a minute here. So I made money shorting it down, so that was nice. And then right now we're about to get the data at 8:30. So I personally think it's tough, really. This could go either way. Get a drop to here and then reversal, or potentially just start reversing from here. So yep, that's what I was looking for. So now we're green on that trade because we entered in automatically, which is what I was looking to do. Look at us getting back up to this candle here. Look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look right here. This is our target. This is our target right here. We're going to set the target. That's incredible. I did have that bias to the upside, which is why I put that order in to automatically trigger. So yeah. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to just take the profit on that spike. That was really nice. Super, super nice. I used the stop order to get me into the trade, and yeah, I mean, I could have sized up a little bit more on that one. I could have maybe went for 3 contracts on the ad. So all good. So we basically just blew through all the levels that we dropped from, which is what I was actually looking for. This is beautiful. This is so nice. So the target's up here for our open. And see, guys, we're all the way down here when I call that out. So we had our levels. It was either down here or potentially back up here. So that was just a masterclass in range and pricing. That was really nice. Very happy with that. Now I can just start clearing out all my levels here. And what I say, coming through previous day high, which was 2137. And we did that. We went straight through. That was just really couldn't ask for better lesson in price action on news. And I feel like I left money on the table there for sure, but it's all good. I did catch that nice spike. So now I'm looking for any dips. I'm looking to add to the dips for the target up here and potentially up to here, 21,217 I'm looking at right around there. So any dips where I start to see a structure that I can work off of, I'll re-add into that. So look at us going straight to all of our targets. Now we can just clear these out. Super nice. That's how fast the news drivers can be. Not all the time, but majority of the time the red folder events here, which was this one, core PPI, 8:30 a.m. USD, red folder events, forexfactory.com/calendar. That's where I go to make sure I know what's going on and what's coming up. Excuse me. Good morning. Thanks for joining here. Please just say hello in the chat. Let me know if you're watching, if you're trading today, or just hit a like on there. Let me know that you're out here with me. But yeah, if you saw that move, it's really nice. So like I said, now I'm looking to get long, but I want to see structure form first, and with the market opening in an hour or so, I want to be patient and catch my next entry. So now it's really wait for the next clear structure to form. I like the dip so far. I'm glad I sold my contract up there. And now I can potentially scout out for the next entry. Now for the next move here, assuming this 4-hour candle holds bullish, then we have a clear shot to more upside. If for whatever reason, when the market opens, they decide to sell this thing off all the way back down again, then that target's invalid for the day. But I think we have a good shot at closing green on today. We made the overnight move higher, retraced back into a previous day close level, which was right here in blue. And that was the level that I was looking to get long from for the news. So that's why I had my just in case short to the downside, and then I had another position to the upside. So my conviction was in the upside, but I had to respect what I was seeing, so I didn't want to use too much risk on that trade. Good morning. Thanks for joining here. Just tuning in here. We caught the PPI bounce higher. Now I'm looking to build a position, but I'm waiting for some structure to form here that I can get long again from. So right now, really just patient. We're opening. A market opens in less than an hour. So we are waiting for the next entry. Feeling like a continued upside day. So we'll see what we get for the rest of the session. Hit me with a like if you're listening here, and say hello in the chat. Let me know if you're trading or what you got going on today. What would be really interesting is if they sell this move completely off. That would be interesting. If we do sell off completely, then I'd be looking down to the bottom of this candle where the pop started from. It wouldn't surprise me if we do go down there, but I think that we might have just trapped some short positions in the market. So we've had 5 down days in a row, and today's Tuesday, and I was looking for a relief bounce, which we did get in the overnight session, and then we did retrace back into the levels from yesterday's close, because we did leave a gap from yesterday's 5 p.m. close to the 6 p.m. open. There was a gap, and we did come in and fill that gap completely. So this has the potential to continue bullish for the rest of the day. The way that this 4-hour candle closes is going to be very crucial to the way that price plays out for the rest of the day. So yeah, it's gonna be more patience for right now. We gotta wait. I'll be kind of quiet if nobody is active in the chat, so I'll just be kind of quiet, and then we'll discuss as things start to form.
Order filled.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning if you're joining me here. We just had PPI data come out. Hit me with a like or say hello in the chat. Let me know that you're listening in. Good morning. Good morning. Say hello in the chat. Let me know you're here, rocking with me here. Good morning. Good morning. Thanks for joining. We're just staying patient. We got a very small short here. I have a bias to the upside for today for the rest of the day. Just looking for a little bit more of a retracement on this big 1 minute data news move. We could be making that upside move here. Should have had a little stop in over here somewhere. Let's see if this pop gets sold here. Good morning. Say hello or put a like in the chat. Let me know you're here. Let me know you're watching. So that way I'm not just talking to myself here. But yeah, we caught the PPI bounce, the data news 8:30 bounce, so that was nice. Upside target's gonna be up here, 21,167, 165 around there. I'm looking for one more retracement move at least into this 1 minute candle. So I have a small short on. I'm cool with that. But yeah, I'm definitely more looking for the longs for the rest of the day. So we still got 45 minutes till market open. So we're gonna need some patience here. That might be the only retracement I get right now, actually, the way this is looking. I'm gonna end the stream and come back after closer to 9:30.